Today I'm going to show you how to replace the Craft Ice Maker on your French door refrigerator. First thing, make sure that you've disconnected the unit from power. Make sure you're wearing some kind of hand protection. We don't want anybody to get cut or injured. The only tool that you'll need to do this is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. First thing that we're going to do is remove all the bins. On each side of the door rails you'll find a screw. We're going to take those 2 screws out so we can lift the door off. Grab the freezer door by the handle and pull straight up on the front, and the door and rails will lift off in one piece. With the freezer door removed, you now have access to the Craft Ice Maker. It's held in place with 2 screws located at the front. Simply remove those 2 Phillips screws. Now pull down on the front of the ice maker and you will feel it release. Then pull the ice maker slightly towards you. There is one wiring harness to remove. It has a tab on top that you're going to push down on while you pull it toward you. And now you have successfully uninstalled your Craft Ice Maker. To reinstall the ice maker, you have the one connector to plug back in. Make sure the locking tab is facing up. When you go to reinstall the Craft Ice Maker, there are 2 hangers at the back on each side. Back here you'll see notches that they slide over. So just remember that when putting the ice maker back in, make sure that the rear hangers are properly installed on the tabs at the back. All you have left to do at this point is to reinstall your 2 screws. Now you can put the freezer door back on. Go ahead and pull your rails out for this step. You might want to consider having a helper to hold the rails. The rails can move back and forth and make this difficult. We need to show you exactly what's going on here to get this door back in place. Here's an example of a model with white rails so that you can see it better. You have these hooks at the back. At the front, there are some tabs where your screws go in. If you look at your railing, those hooks are going to go into these slots at the back. So make sure you get both of the rear hooks in place first. When you get your door set back down onto the railing, go ahead and reinstall the 2 screws that you removed earlier. The final step will be to put all the bins back into place. So you have now successfully installed your Craft Ice Maker in your French door refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Contact us if you have any questions.